Firefighters are working through the night to make sure a grain and timber fire near Cheney doesn't flare up again. That fire started in the Bonnie Lake area about 4 this afternoon. The flames took hold of a wheat field near Martin and Long Roads. Spokane County Fire District 3, Whitman County Fire, and the Department of Natural Resources all responded to the 70-acre fire. DNR says wind and dry conditions fueled the flames, but they were able to get a handle on it by about 6 tonight.
We were fortunate to have a wet spring and a slow start. At this point, things are really drying out, and we expect fire season to really pick up if we don't see any moisture here in the near future.
Right now, that fire is 85% contained and should be fully contained by tomorrow morning. That's when crews will begin mop up.